Hi everyone! In this video, I'll review the SafePal Wallet app and help you decide if it's worth using or if you should leave it. Let's dive in. SafePal Wallet is a hardware wallet, extension and mobile app designed to securely store your cryptocurrencies. One of the pros is its advanced security features, including air-gapped signing and the ability to store private keys offline. Another benefit is that SafePal supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various DeFi tokens. However, a con is that the app may be a little overwhelming for beginners, as it requires setting up hardware wallet in addition to the app. If you're looking for a secure way to store your crypto and prefer having control over your private keys, SafePal Wallet could be a great choice. But if you're new to crypto and want a simpler option, you might want to look for a mobile-only wallet. And that's it. I hope this SafePal Wallet app review helped you decide if it's right for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto wallet reviews. Thanks for watching.